Have you come across the word Airbnb anywhere? Ever wondered what Airbnb is? Or if you have heard about it, have you wondered how to make money in Kenya with Airbnb? Well, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about Airbnb. So sit back, relax, and watch this video till the end so you won't miss a thing. And now is the perfect time to subscribe and like this video so more people can find it. Thank you. I will start with an introduction to Airbnb, then proceed to explain to you how to start an Airbnb business in Kenya. I'll also tell you how to start an Airbnb business without money. For starters, Airbnb is like any other business, coined from the words air, bed and breakfast. Airbnb is an online service that allows people to rent out mansionettes, apartment houses, or single rooms for a short while during the period of their vacation. It only deals with renting out space in form of homes and houses to people who are on the road traveling or just want to party and have fun. It's been a growing business in Kenya that has not reached its full potential. A taste of the great opportunities that await those who grab it as soon as possible. Some platforms provide Airbnb services in Kenya, like the official Airbnb site. Travelers in need of Airbnb in Kenya and maybe in Nairobi or other major towns contact the owner of the house and make a booking. Depending on the owner of the house, they all come in different terms and conditions that they have to stick to. In return, the traveler gets the best lodging experience they needed. Airbnb service providers can decide to rent a whole house, a basement, a spare bedroom, or a guest room. Any room in the house that is not in use can be turned into an online money generating system, and it does pay. It pays good. The average pay for an Airbnb business owner stands at 92,400 shillings per month, while the median pay sits at 44,000 shillings. Imagine what that will do to an Airbnb Nairobi business owner. Some can bring in over 1 million Kenya shillings a month, especially those who have many Airbnb rooms and houses. If you have an idle house or an idle room in your house, then you should definitely get in the Airbnb business. Airbnb is free to join for both host and guest. The company will, however, deduct a small fee of 3% commission on every coin you earn and comply with the local law and pay the required business license fee. Things to consider before starting an Airbnb business. 1. Own a house or a room. It's not a must that you own a house yourself. You can still rent a room or a big house for this business. 2. Register for an Airbnb account. In order to list your property for rent, you must sign up by visiting the Airbnb website, which is www.airbnb.com. You can register by using your email or take a quicker route using your Facebook or Google account. After receiving a verification email from them, click on it to validate your account, and then fill out all the correct details on your profile so that your potential guests will get a clue of who the potential host is and where they're going to stay. 3. Provide verification information. Check verification information section on your Airbnb account. There are a couple of ways in which you can use to verify yourself, like social media accounts, your driver's license, phone number, email, and so much more. This is meant to assure your potential guests that they are going to be in safe hands. 4. Set a price. Since Airbnb allows hosts to set their rental prices, you are free to do so, but you must do it considerably. Make sure you don't overprice, but do it according to its condition, like the number of rooms and extra features like free Wi-Fi. Setting prices higher than the conditions of your house might make you miss out on a number of potential guests. 5. Upload photos of your property. You will need to convince your potential guests that the space you are renting to them is as exactly as you have explained. There is no better way of doing this than taking good quality photos and uploading. 6. Advertise your property. This is the last step where you have to publish your advertisement. To do this, find the button labeled Publish Your Ad and click it. You will be making a wise decision if you have a free space and you decide to get started with Airbnb. Instead of having your property lying idle with no one living in it, Airbnb is one of the best ways to make passive income. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button below. Like this video and share with your friends as well. Cheers.